Thank you for watching my film. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help me out and goes a long way to supporting me. I aim to bring out a new bikepacking film every single month, so stay tuned and make sure you hit that bell icon on the subscribe feature so that you get notified when I bring out a new film. So I got the train from Leeds to Ribblehead and started the route here. I had to cut it short, unfortunately, because I mistimed how long things were taking me. I filmed for far too long, so in reality I ended up doing this loop here. I didn't do the full loop. I camped out at Ribblehead Viaduct and it was absolutely freezing on the night. I think it dropped to about -3 and I wasn't prepared enough, to be honest with you, so I woke up absolutely freezing a few times in the night. Ice all over my kit, ice all over my shoes, they'd frozen solid, and overall just didn't take enough warm stuff with me. But I woke up nice and early and set off the next day after I'd had something to eat. I followed a bit of the previous day's route again. The plan was to go over the countryside to Malham Cove and loop my way down to Settle and finish the day there. But again, it didn't quite go as planned because I woke up absolutely starving. I ate as much food as I could and I was completely out of food, so I decided to head straight to Settle instead. So I did this first bit off-road and then I carried on the main road to Settle. Got something to eat there first, refueled, and then kind of went back this way and continued up to Malham Moor. So I still managed to get in the main things that I wanted to, but I did have to cut this little bit out here, unfortunately. But you kind of got to make do with the day that you've got and just work around it. If you want to download those route files, the routes that I should have done, just head over to the description box below and click the link and you can download those for free. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.